Hello and welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to create a friendship bracelet using the crochet and using two colors simultaneously. So I will use the red color and the turquoise color, and as tools I will need a pair of scissors and I will also need crochet. So let's grab the end of the yarn of the two colors and I will create the closure of the bracelet first. So I will need a bit of cord in order to close the bracelet. So this length I will keep it for the bracelet closure, and then here I will make the first loop like this. Let's see how I create the first loop. I take the two yarns, put them over my forefinger, bring them from underneath, cross them like this, and I've created this cross. Now I'll put the crochet under this cord and I will grab the crochet, the other cord like this with the crochet, and I will create the first loop. Like this. So the first loop was created using both of these cords. So I've used both cords to create this loop. And now, in order to create the two colors of my bracelet, I will separate the two cords and I will put one of them in front and one of them in the back. So I will take the crochet. Let's see from a closer distance. My crochet is in the loop. I will take the crochet and grab the red yarn by moving my crochet forward, and I will create a loop with the red yarn like this. So I have created a loop here. So now I have the first loop, the red loop, and the second loop is the loop that I have created as my first loop. And now I will grab the turquoise cord with my crochet and I will put it through both of these loops and create a turquoise loop. Let's repeat. I will take the red cord over the crochet like this to form a loop, and now I have a red loop and a turquoise loop. Now I will take the turquoise cord, grab it and take it through the two loops like this. Now I will put my red cord over the crochet like this. Now I will twist my crochet, the turquoise cord around the crochet. I will grab the turquoise cord and take it out through my two loops. So I have again created a turquoise loop, and again I will move my crochet forward like this to create a loop with the red cord like this. And now I have the two loops, the red one and the turquoise loop. Now I will grab the turquoise cord and put it through my two loops like this. And I created another turquoise cord. So as you can see, we already have the two colors in the cord. So I have the red color on one side and the turquoise color on the other side. So I will continue making these loops as I have described them so far, until I create a piece of cord that is long enough to go around my wrist, and then I will create the cord that I will use to close my bracelet. So let's continue doing these, creating these loops. And now let's make the last loop. So I will take the red cord, make a loop, and then I will take the turquoise cord and make the last loop like this. And now I will measure the cords necessary to close the bracelet. So I will see how long my cords have to be, and I will cut here. I will put the yarn away, and now I will pull on the green yarn so that I take the yarn out through the loop and form this knot here at the end. And now at both ends of my cord of my bracelet I will make a knot. I made a knot here. I will make another knot here. So I have created a knot at both ends of my cord, and I will also create a knot here at the end of this cord. I will cut the end of the cord like this. I will also take these cords and create a knot here. Like this. So let's cut the ends of these cords like this, and now I can either create a simple knot like this to close the bracelet, or alternatively I can create a sliding knot. In order to create a sliding knot, I will put this cord like this and the other cord over my first cord. Then I will take this cord under the first cord like this. I'll pull on this cord like this, and then I will put it over the cords this way and take it out through the loop. So I have created a circle like this, and through this circle I can move the other cord. I will tighten this knot, and now I can close the bracelet like this, and I can open the bracelet like this, because one of the cord goes through the loop that I have created on the other cord. So let's see what the bracelet looks like. So this is what it looks like on one side. This is actually the back of the bracelet, and the front of the bracelet is in two colors, and the front of the bracelet has these two colors, red and blue. So you can wear the bracelet either way.